Dormaahene and Asantehene's beef continues. This time, and yet with Asantehene, name Mumu, Dormaahene so say, or no so, a year or brimpon, or no so see your catechi, or no so to your domano, or tunso a dom edinachi. Ebani saying, Kwahuhene, ex-Kwahuhene, da Sibre Ekwamo Aduane the second. Wewu 2013, Emma ye and na ye ni be wie ochina nyameboa. It started 26th of November. That week ni nara a wie ochina, which is 2nd of December. Da Sibre Ekwamo Aduane ye nisi ohen Kwahuhene so 1971. Between 1982 and 1989, he was the president of the Eastern Regional House of Chiefs for 2 consecutive terms. She also held the position of the vice president of the National House of Chiefs in 1985 and 1989. Additionally, he held the position of vice president of beyond his traditional duties. The late Gatsbygh the second also served as the chairman of the Ghana Cocoa Board from 2001 to 2009. He was popularly known in his private life as Nana Kofi Ampedu Echiampong. And he's an Kwahuhene din ene Gatsbygh Ekwamo Aduane the second. Gatsbygh Ekwamo Aduane the second is highly an intellectual man. No ena wewu 2013 odi so 42 years. Omu ye ne doti year, which is the first funeral in 2014. Ohini biara na obrimpon biara wu a, especially ahemfo ne ye omu doti year. First doti year no ne aye ne ye si hin. Ye si hin wi a na sa ohin no aba be yi eda ye de be ye the final funeral akra ne chikra. Nti sa ye ba be yi the second ohin no, the final funeral ena ohena hihya enne ena ye ba be wi na no ena Dormaahene say brekum mo na manjimi a madofo papa bi wo kwawu omu de ombegimi pa nti no na enne Kwadwo Black issue odi a kire yen say Dormaahene say onye small so ampa say why wo share the voyager or embarking yet to Kwahuhene. I know what people say. That day is a jano money call brekum on that yawadana and kebeye butu because the convoy that preceded Dormaahene na enyasem ketwa. The warriors that preceded him na enyasem ketwa. The asafu sripi na enyasem ketwa. The deities are a din anymore. Now, on one case, see, and what you say, yes, bear mercy, sharp more day. Now, what me call animus no jina, na a summa mark of your quemu, a hoyana, boom, was sensimo, or see another one, sir. Was it one sakra na Ghana from Mama begin one grab away? Pimpana, see, nanako, bonguto, prada, ejanansi, medawasi, yunabako, nenkabako, medawasi, ye nana, pimpana, see, nanako, bonguto, prada, ejanansi, medawasi, yunabako, nenkabako. No, see, no pimpana, somewhere around the Ghana. but who etu na etoto na eba it say na betena gwamu no etu fie etoto na my hope ni say etu ni bia nkwa ka wo bia hey Dormaahene pa na netu wo convoy we na fa ma eni ehu ye akwa se mehuhu ya some enye Ghana for him for muso mutiomo den nana muso mutiomo den yes see the battle line has been drawn. Asante Dormaahene draw the battle line. Wa be ba wo ka 2x4 bia kodan che baby ni ahwe nam de na yenye yen hwe omo ba. So thank you so much for watching Hushvibetv TV. Subscribe to Hushvibetv TV. Okay? Subscribe because you're the latest news and air bremo. Fresh from the oven and you're there bremo. Well, subscribe so now call Instagram account. No follow and so on. TikTok. Follow. Thank you so much. Bye bye.